I've got the OnePlus 15 and today I'll be showing you how to download additional fonts onto this phone. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you go into settings and then under settings, you go to home screen, lock screen and style, tap on that and then scroll to font. You can see we have different font styles that you can change to. Okay. Now, if you go to the complete end, you will see more, tap on that, and that takes you to extra fonts that you can actually download onto your phone. Okay. So for instance, if I want this one, first of all, I need to check if it's free or paid. This one is free and that's what it looks like. Okay. So I can tap on apply and that font is going to get applied to my phone. So now if I go back to the user interface, you can see I have that new font across the entire interface. So that's basically how to download additional fonts for your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching and good luck.